How to fix Valorant alt tab problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, open Riot Games folder, and here I have Riot Games folder. Now click on it, Valorant live shooter game binaries win64, and scroll down until you find Valorant. Right click on it, properties, go to compatibility here, and now maybe you'll find this one like that, disable it and then enable this one and apply and okay. Now now close this one and open task manager, scroll down. Once you're here, scroll down until you find Riot Games or Valorant logo icon. Scroll down until you find it, and when you find it, just right click on it and task. Once you find it, end it, and that's it, and then open it again and you will find that your problem is fixed, and see you in the next video.